I was going to make a video for you guys today about how I grew my YouTube channel from 0 subscribers to over 155,000 subscribers. But unfortunately, my 2-year-old got a hold of my markers. So now that that's out of the window, I wanted to shoot a video instead about what I call the full funnel formula. And in fact, I shot that video already. I got rid of this mess that my 2-year-old made, and I went ahead and made a video talking about the full funnel formula. And this is the formula that any online entrepreneur who's having success is following, whether they know it or not. This is what they're using. This is what I use to grow my channel to over 155,000 subscribers. But not only that, to make that traffic profitable, because that's what it's all about. That's why you're here. It's not to grow a big YouTube channel. It's about making money online. You want to learn how to take the traffic from YouTube and make money online. And this is the formula that you need to make that happen, okay? And in this video, I break down everything that you need to know about this formula, how you can implement it, and how you can have start having success right away with it. It's very simple. You're going to be like, oh my God, I can't believe that. It's going to give you that aha moment. And again, you can implement it right away into what you're doing to start having a lot of success. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down below, the first link in the description. You can click on it. It's going to take you to a page where you enter your first name and your email, and I'm going to shoot you that video over right away. And this way I can keep in touch with you and send you more information about the things that I got going on how to grow a YouTube channel. In fact, you're watching this on my new YouTube channel. I've only got just over 100 subscribers on here. It only took me a couple days to get those subscribers. And my next feat is to grow it to 1,000 subscribers with ads. So if you watch this on an ad, leave a comment down below and say, you got me. And if you're subscribed, I would love to have you here, because again, I'm going to show you behind the scenes everything I'm doing to grow this channel, grow my other channel of 155,000 subscribers, and everything that you need to be successful online. So go ahead and subscribe, and definitely check out the formula, first link in the description, because it's going to be a game changer for you.